Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make an amazing purple bull cocktail like a pro. The purple bull cocktail is beautifully concocted with vodka, brandy, citrus juices, and Red Bull. I hope you will love this recipe. So let's go and jump in. Take a tall glass of about 14 ounces. And fill up with lots of ice cubes. Ice cubes play a very important role in mixology, as fresh ice cubes melt slowly, and keep the drink fresh for a long time. Now pour 1 ounce of vodka. Vodka is the most popular spirit among young people, as it doesn't contain strong flavor and taste. And it also rarely causes hangovers. Pour half an ounce of lime mix. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. Pour 2 ounces of cranberry juice. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. For the most exciting part, please watch till the end of this video. Pour a 1/4 ounce of blue curacao. Now shake all the ingredients without ice, and pour straight into the glass. This technique is known as the mix method in mixology terminology. And if you want to know more about this, please feel free to contact me. I will be happy to hear from you. Now top up the glass with chilled Red Bull. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Okay, let's get into the exciting part. Take a peg measure, and pour 1 ounce of brandy in it. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes like this. Now carefully flame the brandy. And slowly pour on the cocktail. Perform this in front of your guests. And I am sure that they will appreciate you. Lovely. Now garnish it with a dehydrated lemon wheel. The purple bull cocktail is now ready for you. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Cheers for your amazing life. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes like this. Till then, keep watching.